TimeIPS Payroll Export can generate a file that contains your payroll data for a specified pay period. These files can be opened in a spreadsheet application such as Microsoft Excel or OpenOffice Calc, or if you're using the Payroll Integration for Benefits Tracking module, the file can be imported into your payroll application such as ADP, Paychex, or QuickBooks. This video will cover how to create a custom export via the TimeIPS Payroll Export feature. For a more basic version, watch the Payroll Export basic video. To get started, let's navigate to the left pane main menu. Under Administration, click on Payroll, and then Payroll Export. Now let's find the pending payroll export that we created in the basic payroll export video. Click the plus sign to the far left to expand the window. Before we move on, notice that when we open the drop-down menu, just above the Export Payroll Data button, we have a number of pre-formatted templates to choose from for popular payroll services and software packages, including ADP, Ceridian, Paychex, Peachtree, and QuickBooks. This time, instead of the manual.csv option, we're going to choose Custom from the drop-down menu. Then click the Export Payroll Data button. If you have not already created a custom preset, you will be prompted to do so. Click the Add Preset button. The preset window will appear with 8 tabs of customizable information. The General tab defines information about the format of the file. The Pay Codes tab associates each type of pay with a specific name or numeric code for identification in your payroll application. The Preamble tab defines the File Headings row that includes summary data about the file. Unless preamble records are specified in the file layout requirements provided by your payroll application, leave the default value to Do Not Use. The Columns tab defines the number of columns, the format of each column, and the data contained in each. The Footer tab defines file footer rows that include summary data about the file. The footer is an optional single line at the bottom of the exported file. The Subtotals tab allows you to create a subtotal in the Custom Payroll Export. Extra parameters are optional input boxes you can use to provide additional data to a custom report. These can be accessed through expressions as parameter_in, where in is the parameter number. This is not available for payroll export, only for custom reporting. Styles are named sets of formatting rules used for advanced custom reports. To use advanced styles, this report must output a file with the extension of XLS, XLSX, PDF, or HTML. Once your preset has been configured, click on Save Settings. For more details on the tabs and custom payroll exports in general, check out the Custom Reporting Payroll Export Settings article found on our support site. If you had already created a custom preset, make sure that preset is the one selected in the Export Settings preset drop-down menu. Optionally, you can add a comment to the export, making it unique and easily identifiable. Click Continue. You should then see the payroll calculation being scheduled. Click the blue link to download the newly created file and open it in a spreadsheet program such as OpenOffice Calc or Excel. If you have confirmed that the information contained in this export is correct and wish to permanently lock the payroll period, click the button labeled Lock this payroll period. Otherwise, choose Unlock and return to TimeIPS. Locking the payroll period prevents future modifications of any kind. If you choose Unlock and return to TimeIPS, the export will be listed as pending and further changes can be made to the data. Remember, pending exports can be exported again to another payroll output format as often as you like until they have been accepted and locked.